So hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create Google Web Stories in Google Web Stories plugin. This is our third video in the Google Web Stories series. In the previous two videos I have shown you how you can buy domain, how you can set up this plugin and various other plugins. You can watch this video on the playlist. It is on the I button and in the description also. In today's video I will show you how you can create Google Web Stories in just less than half an hour. But when you create Google Web Stories again and again, you can create Google Web Story at least in 15 minutes. And I will show you one pro tip as well as trick to you from where you can create your Google Web Stories in 5 minutes also. So for that you have to come in the Google Web Stories dashboard and then you have to click on create new web story button. But before that you can see these are the various templates. You can use any of them. These are free templates. But for that you have to see various things, that you have to match your content according to this template and you have to customize this template. But before that you have to select the topic for creating a Google Web Story. So here are 3 steps that you have to follow. First, you have to create a topic as well as a title, and you have to select a topic and the content also, and images as well as a description also. I will show you in the further video. Then you have to click on create new story. When you click on create new story, it will show you this front blank page, and here are various things like insert, style and document. In the document section you have to write description which is at least 200 words, and here is a slug, yani it means here is a URL, and these are the various settings that we will see in the upcoming section of this video. Then here is an insert and here is a style. In the insert you can see the images that I have uploaded in my media section, and in style you will see call to action button that will redirect to your website, or you want to redirect your audience to your another web page, another web story, or you can add affiliate link also. But before that, first we will see how you can create Google Web Story. For that insert you have to come in here, and then you have to generate an sufficient amount of content that you have to put on a Google Web Story. I have already created, these are the points that I have put into the Google Web Stories and into the slides. This is the title. It is on the health niche. You can use any of the niche. You can select any of the niche and any of the topic. These are the title. These are the various sub points. If you see here, these are the blank page, and you can see one pages it is showing. Now we have to add images. For that you have to come here, and then you have to click third party media. When you will click here, this will give you various type of free images which you can directly fetch from unsplash.com. Then you have to select the images according to your topic. You have to click here and then select the topic that you want to create a Google Web Story. I will create Google Web Story on the health topic, so I will write a child. And you can see here various child images came, and then you will select any of the image from that and then directly insert into your web story. First, then we have to click on this plus section, and then you have to click on add as background. You can see the images directly came to this slide, and you can adjust by clicking right click on them, and then you have to adjust according to the width or size of this slide. Then you have to add a next page. At least you have to add minimum 7 to 8 pages, and maximum as you want to add. You can see here this is a blank page. Then we have to again add a second image, and then add as background. Then we have to come and then add again new page, and then we have to select any of the page. Then you have to come here and then add as background. Then again new page, and you have to select your images according to your title, description and topic. When I will click on this, and it will show like this. Then you have to go set as background. You can also adjust according to the right click of the mouse and directly from this section also. Then you have to click on add new page. Then again you have to choose any of the image that you want according to and related to your topic. I will choose this one, and then click on insert image. When you click on insert image, it will directly take your image to here, and then you have to click on the image and then right click, and then you have to do set as page background. So it will go to the page background section. After that you have to click on add new page, and then select another image for your topic, and then click set add as background, and then again new page, and then you have to click on another image. You can see here these are the images that you have to select. Now our second step is we have to paste our content in these slides, and the pro tip is, guys, you have to made at least 7 slides and more than 7 slides, because if you made less than 7 slides then ads will not serve by the Google if you got the Google AdSense approval also. So please keep remember in mind, you have to make slides more than 7 and at least 7, so that your earning will be good, as well as ads will shown by Google into your website as well as web stories. So for that we have already created our content, that is there are 6 points that we have to paste into our slides of our Google web stories. So for that you have to just copy these all points and then paste according to the slide, and then after that our next step will be we have to animate these content. So for that you have to come to the text slide and then click on add title to. When you click add title to, first you have to come on the first page of the slide, and then you have to add a title to, and then you can see here this is our title to, and then you have to arrange it according to this red box that you are seeing onto the slide. If you close this red box or this frame, your text will be invisible to the reader or the visitor. Please keep remember these texts will be in these red box, and then you have to come here and you can see here these are the formatting as well as editing setting that you can do to make your text more attractive. So let's first of all copy this text and paste it here, and then arrange it according to this box and size according to this frame also. We will do it like this, and then change our color from here to the white, and then we will when you complete your content work on the slide, then after that you have to paste a CTA button. Then just you have to go to here and come on to the last slide, and then you have to see here this is call to action. When you go to style section and then click in here, you will get a call to action. Then just type your web story as well as website URL, and then just click outside from this box. You can see here this is our CTA button, by which you can target your audience to the respective product as well as your next web story also. You can see here this is our light theme and this is our dark theme. You can use dark theme also, and then you have to animate this text according to the animation and the style that you want according to your slide here. When you click to this, and then you can come here, and this is a animation tab that you have to do according to your choice and according to your style of your web story. We will do here drop. You can see here this is our drop animation, and another we can select any of these fade, who's in, who's right, and there are various other animation also. You can select any of them. So I will select like this. So guys, our animation work is complete, and now we have to go to our third step, that is creating poster image. For that you have to use Canva. So go to here and click on Canva. You can see here this is our Canva interface. It is a free tool. You can use it for creating a poster image. If you don't know what is poster image, then you can see this video where I told you about the various settings as well as dimensions of the Google Web Story, as well as recommended size of Google Web Story slides, poster image, and what is the length of content that you can use into your Google Web Story. All these settings I've shown into this video. You can check out this video, link is in the description and I button. Then you have to go to custom size, and then you have to create a width according to this size. It is 640 by 853, and then you have to click on create design. So you can see here, this is our blank page from where we have to create a poster image of our web story. For that you can use images, photos, element. It is free and paid also. You can use any of the free image and directly import it into this section. Then we will use this image, and then just go to here and set as background, and then just simply download it into a JPG format, because if you download it on a PNG, then the size will be increased. So please download it into a JPG format. So you can see here our poster image is downloaded here completely, and then just we have to come here and just go to our last step, that is publishing a Google Web Story. For that you have to go to publish button, and then you can see here you have to first upload a poster image. For that you have to come here and then upload it like this. You have to go download and then use this image, and then click on open. After that you have to select the image. This is the image, and then you have to select as a poster image. You can see here our poster image is right here. You can see this is our poster image. Now we have to write story description and visibility. We will just copy here and story description. You have to create your description according to your meta data and meta text. I've just copied one of the points from the web story, and then you can see here this is our Google Web Story URL. You can change this also, and this is our duration. That means every slide will run in 7 seconds. You have to change it to 5 seconds, because if you use 7 seconds, it will be a too long web story and user will irritate, as well as cannot see your Google Web Story completely. So you have to go to and change the settings to 5 seconds, and then just we have to click on a publish button. After that you can see here this our Google Web Story will be published, and then you have to click on this view story button, and you can see this is our Google Web Story. When you click on to the next, this is our animation, and this is our complete Google Web Story that you can create and earn more money by Google AdSense approval. And if you don't know how to get Google AdSense approval fast, please comment below. I will create a separate video on that. So this is our Google Web Story, and this is our URL. You can copy it here and go to incognito window and then see here. This is our Google Web Story, and when we got Google AdSense approval, after the 7th slide, we will get a ad and earn money. So guys, this is the end of the series of Google Web Stories. I hope you understand all 3 videos. If you have any of the doubt, then please ask me in the comment section. I will definitely reply it and solve your problem related to Google Web Stories. If you like this video, or if you like this web story series, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with your friends also.